Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a BMW guys 3 Series. I'm talking about generation E90, 91, 92, 93 guys. You replaced your front sway bar links guys and you still have rattle noise coming from the front suspension when you go through bumps or uneven road guys. We'll explain another reason that most of you don't think about, so make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain what else can cause that guys. Before we start, let me introduce you to the channel. If you need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that for your BMW 3 Series, check out the links in the description of the video below. We share them for your convenience. Number 2 guys, every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Specifically on BMW 3 Series we'll have close to 400 or 500 videos. And why we do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information. So let me explain, okay, what can cause that now guys. Okay, you have front end noise rattle, you replaced the sway bar links, and there is one thing that most people don't think about. Okay, the sway bar links usually are number one reason guys for front end noise rattle, but on BMW guys, on BMWs, something else that you need to check actually. Okay, you need to check your bushings for the control arms. Okay, bushings for the control arms, check them right there. You may have a couple of those, one on the back, you may have one on the front as well. Okay, this one you can see right here, and they go bad sometimes guys. You also need to make sure that your tie rod ends, okay, outer and inner tie rod ends, you have one here and one under that boot, that you don't have any play. And you don't have any play, okay, in the control arms joints that attach to the wheel hub guys. That's very common as well. Another thing guys that we see quite often, struts. When struts go bad, they can be noisy. Ours developed a leak, as you can see. Also on the strut where the spring lays on that rubber bushing, okay. If it's actually guys missing or worn, broken, that spring can rattle in the shock, and also you can develop a rattle, okay, if your strut mount is bad guys on top. The strut mount will need to be replaced as well. But what else most people don't think about guys? The sway bar, okay, sway bar is right here, you can see it attached to the sway bar link. But there is another bushing on the front side. These bushings right here guys, those bushings are very important. They hold the sway bar stationary so it doesn't go up and down. And if you develop a play, that can develop a front end noise rattle as well. So definitely guys, you need to check that one as well. We took, you have 2 of them, we took one of them apart. That's right here, that's what it looks like. This is the bushing itself, and they do go bad guys sometimes, so you will need to replace them and install the new ones, and that should take care of the problem. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure something like that out. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.